everyone! Welcome back to Fire TV Expert. If you've been searching for a feature-packed streaming app for your Fire Stick, today's guide is for you. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to install Valtra TV using the latest working downloader code. The entire setup only takes a few minutes, and I'll walk you through every step so you can follow along easily, even if it's your first time installing a third-party app. Later in the video, I'll also talk about some of Voltra TV's features and explain why I won't be opening the app during this tutorial due to YouTube policy guidelines and to avoid potential strikes. So, let's get started. From your Fire Stick home screen, move to the left, slide down, and select the search option. This will open the on-screen keyboard, allowing you to search for apps available on the Amazon App Store. Type downloader using the on-screen keyboard. If your Fire Stick remote supports voice search, simply press the microphone button and say downloader, and it will appear in the search results. Once you see downloader, scroll down and select it. Now click on the orange downloader icon and press the download button. Wait a few moments while downloader installs. After downloader has finished installing, we need to make one quick change in the settings. Go back to the home screen. Move to the right and select Settings. Next, open My Fire TV, then select Developer Options. If you don't see Developer Options, don't worry. Open About, highlight your Fire Stick device name, and press the center button on your remote 7 times until you see the message confirming that Developer Options have been enabled. Go back, open Developer Options, and turn on apps from unknown sources. If you're using a Fire Stick 4K Max or another newer Fire TV device, the menu may look a little different. In that case, just make sure the downloader app has permission to install apps. Once that's done, your Fire Stick is ready. Now let's open Downloader. Go back to the home screen. Move to the right and open Apps. Scroll down until you find Downloader, then launch it. If this is your first time opening Downloader, allow the requested permissions and click OK. Before we install Voltra TV, here's why many Fire Stick users have been checking it out. Voltra TV offers a modern interface with organized categories, built-in search, and a wide selection of entertainment in one place. It's designed to be lightweight, easy to navigate with the Fire Stick remote, and receives regular updates with new improvements. Now we're ready for the installation. Enter the latest working Voltra TV downloader code exactly as shown on your screen: 1165642. Once you've entered the code, click Go. The Voltra TV download page will now load on your Fire Stick. Once the page opens, the app will automatically begin downloading. Depending on your internet speed, this should only take a few moments. When the installation window appears, click Install. Wait while Voltra TV finishes installing. Once it's complete, click Done. To save storage space on your Fire Stick, click Delete, then confirm Delete one more time to remove the APK file. Before opening the app, there's one recommendation I'd like to make. Whenever you're using third-party apps, it's always a good idea to use a VPN. A VPN helps protect your online privacy, keeps your internet connection secure, and can also help if certain apps or content aren't available in your region. I personally recommend NordVPN because it's fast, reliable, and works really well on Fire Stick devices. If you'd like to install it, simply return to the search option, search for NordVPN, and download it directly from the Amazon App Store. After signing in, connect to a server before using third-party apps. And if you'd like to learn more, you'll find the NordVPN link in the video description. Now, let's take a quick look at Voltra TV. Go back to the home screen. Move to the right and open Apps. Scroll down until you find Voltra TV. Now, I won't be opening the app in this video because of YouTube policies and to avoid any potential strikes on the channel. However, I can still give you a quick overview of what you can expect. Voltra TV features a clean and modern layout that's easy to navigate with a Fire Stick remote. It includes organized sections, a built-in search feature to quickly find content, and a responsive interface designed to provide a smooth user experience on larger screens. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully installed Voltra TV on your Fire Stick. I hope this guide made the installation process easy to follow. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Fire TV Expert, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest Fire Stick tutorials, app guides, and helpful streaming tips. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.